Hello everyone, thanks for watching our other videos, and today we are going to have some fun with you on OS type OS. We are giving you the newest unboxing experience of Lenovo S5 Pro. You can watch what comes in a box of Lenovo S5 Pro and what it looks when it boots up. Now the thing that Lenovo is going to follow up every single trend which is new with the mobile market, including the gesture units in a phone software, and it runs on ZUI on Android 9.0, which is ZUI 4.0. And the thing is, get to know that Lenovo has never posted an update to its last premium and flagship phones, so you just need to worry about what it going to give you in new phone. Is there any update schedule for this? Phone is very definitely good, and the phone comes with the HD plus LCD display which cannot hide the notch, and the notch is the newest trend in the world. So Lenovo has obtained this and attended this in your phone. Phone comes with the dual rear camera and the front single camera with the 20 and 20 megapixel plus. So you will get the best, definitely best camera in Lenovo, because I have used myself Lenovo Z2 Plus, and the camera unit for that was very superior. And the phone comes with the Snapdragon processor, so you just don't need to worry about PUBG play, because you can get the PUBG play very smooth in this phone. The phone comes with the newest camera setup with the AI technology, so you will get the best in best class camera photos with Lenovo S5 Pro. Just check it out and have fun. Please subscribe and like and comment our channel.